Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. Today we are doing the song Only Have One by the McClures. This song has one chord progression throughout the entire song show, so it should be a pretty much easy song to learn. First of all, I'm just going to show the four chords that we play throughout the whole song. The first chord is A flat major. The second chord is a B flat minor. The third chord is a F minor. Now I like adding the seventh, but you can play it as a triad, you can play it as a seventh, or you can play it as an inversion. The last chord is a D flat. Okay, I'm currently playing it in inversion. You can play it as a root, triad, or inverted. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the intro. As I said, it utilizes the same four chords that I just demonstrated, and it goes something like this. Okay, so that is how you play the intro and the first verse. Okay, so when it comes to the chorus, they are basically just holding down the chords. So it goes something like this. I really hope this tutorial helped. As I said, it's a pretty easy song. There's not much explaining to do. And I hope you learned something new today. Cheers.